Hello, my name is Sharon C. Jenkins, and I'm the Master Communicator. I'm an author, and my latest book is titled, Are You a Super Author? As an author, sometimes we hit certain roadblocks. For example, if you are of the mindset that you're just a writer when you write a book, you may not understand the need to master the business side. And you may have said to yourself, I don't want to become a business owner. Well, if you write a book and you want to sell your books, that's the natural progression. One of the ways that I've found that has been successful in answering that, how do I market my book, is the marketing services that the Books Factory offers. I shared my book with them, and they posted a press release and got me seen in over 300 media outlets. I would say that's real good success. The beauty of working with the Books Factory is that they are a one-stop shop, and they offer a little bit of everything for the busy professional who wants to write a book, or just for a newbie who is trying to find their way to getting published. I recommend them highly. Remember, if you want to be a super author, one that a person like myself would want to write about, then you may want to consider the Books Factory and the services that they offer.